if there's one episode to pay attention to, I swear to you, it's this one. The next part of the narrative universe that we're going to be talking about is your company's product ecosystem. This is two things. It's what your products actually do and how your product ecosystem works as a whole. Let's go back to 2001. The digital music revolution is in full swing. Companies are jockeying for position, trying to figure out who's gonna make the best MP3 player. Enter Steve Jobs. He's on stage at the keynote talking about the iPod. He doesn't begin by rattling off tech specs or storage capacity. No talk of gigabytes or transfer speeds. Instead, he paints a picture of what users really want. He says in 5 simple words,
iPod, 1,000 songs in your pocket.
1,000 songs in your pocket. Boom. In that moment, Jobs did not just introduce a product, he unveiled an ecosystem that solved the user's entire problem, and he did it without a single piece of jargon. Now, I know this story is very famous, but I always go back to it because Jobs showed us 2 crucial things. Number 1, how to explain each product in a way that you could tell your friends about. And number 2, he showed us how these products work together in a seamless experience. Now, why does this matter to you? Because in Web3, what we're building is often so hard to explain because it's so complex and technological, and what we're missing is a way to communicate that to people that could enter the space. It could be speculators that are non-technical or VCs that are semi-technical, but if they don't understand what you're building, they're not gonna buy it. The second part of this is that we get so excited to build these ecosystems that are very robust, but we're forgetting about the users. We're selling them technology and features instead of benefits. And if they don't understand why it benefits them, they're never going to use it. The success of your company relies very simply on the ability to communicate the value of what we do. It's that simple, and yet in Web3, it is the thing that we most get wrong. So how do we build this story? On this planet, unlike other parts of the narrative universe, the formula doesn't really matter. It's all about having the right elements. So the acronym that we've created is SUPER. Here we go. S is for specific audience. U is for unique selling proposition. P is product solution fit. E is emotional connection. R are results and benefits. So as always, let's solidify this with an example using Wealth Builder. It's a DeFi investment platform we've created. These are young professionals with some experience in crypto that are drowning in student debt or priced out of traditional investments. Debt Crusher's platform has gamified the loan repayment experience. We've created quests that encourage users to repay their loans, but gives them a % back for achieving the quest on time. Debt Crusher turns repayment into a game, cutting years off loans. Think about the burden of the debt you've carried for years. Now think about the relief of watching it slip away and the thrill of watching your investments grow in real time. Before you write any product descriptions, I want you to look at Harvard Business Review's Elements of Value Pyramid. This is the best way, hands down, to make sure that the products that you have are directly communicating value to your users. I'm gonna go ahead and put a link to it inside the worksheet for this class. Speaking of the worksheet, please, again, go through these. It's gonna ask you questions about your product ecosystem, and by the end, you'll be able to fashion a much stronger product ecosystem. Remember, your product is not your features, it is your benefits. It's the 1,000 songs in your user's pocket. I hope you guys like this lesson. Reach out if you have any questions. We'll see you for the next part of the narrative universe when we talk about your company's vision. Thanks, guys. Talk soon. Bye.